Hello guys, so this one of the gifts from the PBA. It's a herbal thingy. But it says here it's a combination of ready to drink, yes, ready to drink. It's turmeric. It's a liquid one. This one, it will lower your blood pressure, I think. But anyway, when I went to the PBA and I sing, unti-unting mararating. Then they gave us a towel, a white towel, mini towel, and a herbal with a small box that we can use for a living.
Samahan mo ako. Tatakas ako dito. Pupunta ako dun sa anak ko. Babawiin ko yung apo kong pinabayaran.
Ba't ka pa tatakas dito? Wala namang pumipigil sa'yo. Pati nung pumunta ka dito, di ba? Wala namang pumipigil sa'yo.
Yung anak ko. Dinala ako dito. Iniwan lang ako sa gilid.